Welcome, boys and girls. Today what we're going to focus on is what we have been focusing on for the last few days so far, and we're going to kind of finish it up today and wrap up our thoughts on goal setting and talking about what we do or why we need to set a goal. Okay? So what I want to start with first is what are some reasons or what are some things that we need to work on to make us healthy? What are some of the stuff that you guys think about that would make you healthy? Exercise. Eating right. Okay.
I would say having good friends and family.
Close friends with your friends. Okay. So there are some things now. Do you guys eat healthy all the time?
No.
No. Do you like to have your still really eating? Yeah. Or maybe exercise or some eating around here. So what we're going to talk about today is you guys have done a great job in the past talking about things you need to work on, like your friends, like your eating, and also moving around. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about our whole thing that we were saying. You make, you do, and make you success. That's a little saying that we were talking about. That's one of our cues: make, do, and then you make success is your goal. So today, our activity, and we're going to start step by step. We're going to do part 1, part 2, and part 3 together. Okay? So, Pam, would you like to read the directions? Okay. So first is part 1. We are going to look, and I want you right now to write down quickly 3 things that you can improve on. Okay, does everybody have 3 things down? That's it? Sam, would you like to share one of you?
Involved in my community.
What do you mean involved? What kind of stuff?
I volunteer.
Volunteer.
7-year-old?
Well, your brother volunteers, right? Okay, so that's, okay. What do you think you can do? Right, so you're thinking of those steps. Yeah, okay. So, we were in the last few classes, we were talking about things that you guys can do, and those as an example, we'd like to come up again, okay, so you identify some of the things you guys need to work on to be healthy. So the second part is I want you to choose one of these things to be something will be your goal. To be something that you want to. And what I want you to do is skills, if you look at your worksheet, I want you to think of goals as that top of that step. When we get up to that top floor, if you've gone up to the fourth floor of the school, you're like, how's that? That's what you reach your goal. So at the top of your step, I want you to sign at the top, right at the step, I want you to write your goal. What you want to work on. One of the 3 things that you can do. Excellent. So we put our goal right at the top of our steps. So now we have to go some direction, right? We identify what we want to work on. We identify what we want to achieve. So now to get there, we need some direction, right? We need some steps to take there. So that's why our goal is at the top of our steps, the top of our building. And we are going to take those steps up those stairs. But we need things to do to get there. So Amanda, let's use yours for an example. Or actually, you know, Ms. Hurley will create our own, so we show a great example. Here, so don't steal anybody. Okay, so Ms. Hurley says that she would like to be more active, be physically active, okay? So I want to be more active. What are some steps? For one thing, what is the first step? What is one thing that Ms. Hurley might be able to do to be more active, to get out, to move around? Go for a hike, okay. So I'm going to say step one, I'm going to go for a hike. And maybe I'll say you're going to walk. What's something else? What's another step that I can do to get more active, to move around there?
Find friends who want to work out with you.
I can find friends, okay? So I'm going to get friends to work out with me. Thanks for that help. And what's one last one? What's one third step that Miss Hurley could do to be more active? Because I don't move around enough. Join a gym? Okay. Miss Hurley can do that. All right. Now, using my example, I'll put this right here for you guys if you need a little help. But I'm going to give you guys a few seconds. I want you to write down 3 things that you can do to reach your goal. Perfect. Okay. So, what we did is we just went over what we've been talking about the last few days in class about identifying things we need to work on, choosing something to work on, to set a goal, get to the top of those stairs, to reach that point of that success, that make, that do, that success. And then we also set some steps, are doing what we're going to do. So we're going to make a goal, which we did. We're going to do it with our steps, and hopefully, if we do those, we'll get to our success. We'll get to our goal. So, what were some of the things you guys came up with? Josh, what were some of your steps? Give me one step.
Join the football team.
Join the football team. Okay, so you're going to be physically active. You're going to join the football team. Pam, what was your goal?
Talking to my grandmother.
What's one thing you're going to do to work on that? What's the step?
Finish my homework from the year.
So time. Wow. Okay, so you can have more time to talk to your grandma. Excellent. Excellent. And Amanda, what else are you going to work on?
I actually said do my homework earlier too, so I don't stay up so late.
So planning. So we have a lot of planning involved there. Excellent. Good. So hopefully this is something that you can do this year. And by the end of the school year, maybe you can get this done. I will check in with you guys next class to see if you're working towards that, doing some of your steps, so that hopefully we can work on these things to reach our goals. Does anybody have any questions? Are you guys confused about anything? No? You remember everything? So we want to make our goal, we want to do it, and then hopefully you can see success because you do it. Okay? All right. Good job today, guys.